What's the difference between me and you? When it comes to a college application, it might just be a strong endorsement or reference letter. A recommendation letter is a crucial document that serves to endorse and convey an individual's qualifications, skills, and character. These are typically written by someone who is familiar with your abilities, such as a former employer, professor, supervisor, or colleague. This will definitely come in handy when applying for college and applying for jobs. My name is Alexis Lynn with Get Schooled. Stay tuned to check out tips on how someone can hook you up with a perfect recommendation letter. Once you've identified someone you can speak to about your skills, abilities, and experiences, you're going to want to send them a brag sheet. But what's a brag sheet, and how can it help you? A brag sheet is like giving your recommender the cliff notes of your academic and life journey, what you've accomplished, and how it shaped you into who you are today. These are notes of how you want your story to be told by others who will be recommending you. By putting together a brag sheet, they can hook you up with a recommendation that's on point and true to your experience. Brag sheets can help with this: guiding someone in writing an awesome recommendation letter or reference, applying for colleges, and filling out job applications. We've all got those friends who love to brag about the cool stuff they're up to, the awesome people they've met, or the wins they've scored. Yeah, it can get a bit annoying at times, but guess what? You can totally use this habit to your advantage in your brag sheet by throwing these accomplishments, encounters, successes, and giving your letter writer some material to tell their story from a true angle. This is super helpful for them to shine a light on your strengths, dreams, talents, and you want your employer to know all about you. Additionally, this gives them a background to work with. To get started, simply jot down a list of bullet points highlighting your achievements, experiences, memorable leadership, moments, extracurricular activities, and any jobs and volunteer gigs you did in your high school journey. Here's a 3-step plan. Brainstorm, categorize, and tell your story. Brainstorm, reflect on your experiences, achievements in high schools, the role you played in shaping who you are today. Write down those key moments to people like mentors, coaches, team leaders, church, and family. Categorize. Organize different activities into clear categories like leadership experiences in one pile, work experiences in another pile, and your volunteer activities in another pile. Tell your story. Focus on 2 to 3 activities that's really changed you, then weave these experiences together to create a unique narrative. In summary, take time to reflect on our formative high school experiences. Categorize them into leadership, work, volunteer groups, then focus on weaving them together into a pivotal moments that got you to where you are today. If you're still struggling to come up with things to say, hit us up. Text our free college advisors and we'll help perfect your craft in a dope brag sheet. Text HELLO to 33-55-77 and one of our college advisors will be able to help you. Don't forget, I'm Alexis Lynn with Get Schooled. Hit the like, subscribe, and notification bell to stay up to date with new content we drop. See you in the next video.